It's only fitting that I remotely try to represent how fresh this unboxing is. I'm gonna tell you right now, it's out of this world. Let's get to it. This is what it sounds like without the microphone connected. You don't see the RGB lights showing up. This is just on. And while you're waiting, go ahead and hit the follow button for way more amazing unboxings coming. Now let's connect the microphone. And here we are. The mic is now connected. You should hear a significant difference of how it sounds. I'm gonna come a little bit closer to the pop filter. Now I'm gonna recede back so you can hear it. It does have an adjustable mic gain down here at the bottom. I could just twist it. Look, I just go like this. You could probably hear how it sounds. I'm dipping and then I'm coming right back up. This thing is beautiful. It's minimal. I love the RGB lights. It is lightweight, but the boom arm is so sturdy. I love it. I've been wanting a white boom arm anyways. It goes with the aesthetics of my setup and how I'm building it out. I love this thing. And up top here, you can mute your tap here and I'm back on. This thing is gorgeous. It's lovely. You change the lights here as I showed earlier in the video, just like that. There you go. Are you getting you one?